Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. Here's some breaking news involving your furry little friends, involving the CV situation. So first off, there's articles that have doctors explaining exactly if dogs or cats or animals can contract CV. Experts state that it's unlikely that dogs and cats will become infected with CV-19. But breaking news coming out of Hong Kong, health officials are stating that they have confirmed that a dog belonging to a CV patient has become infected.
All pets of people in Hong Kong infected with the coronavirus will be quarantined, with one dog already in isolation. That is according to the city's authorities on Friday. The move is the first reported case anywhere in the world of a government quarantining pets.
That's right. So Hong Kong actually warns its residents not to kiss pets after dogs contract CV, and that's an educational value for the rest of us not to kiss our pets or if we're going to deal with them, wash our hands before we pet them and all that kind of stuff.
Over the outbreak and was prompted by a positive test in the pet of an infected patient. The canine has been placed in quarantine for 14 days as a precaution, but has no relevant symptoms, according to Hong Kong officials.
So your pets could be positive with the virus, but then they actually have no symptoms as well.
Nasal and oral cavity samples tested weak positive for COVID-19, a government spokesman said, without explaining why they tested the animal in the first place.
Probably just to see if it could actually spread from humans to dogs or, vice versa.
The animal was collected from the owner's home on Wednesday after the 60-year-old woman was diagnosed with the contagion and placed in a hospital isolation ward.
So news articles and reports were coming out and saying that there was dogs that had the CV, but it was only like slight traces and it actually wasn't infected. It was just in its mouth or its nose. But scientists and researchers actually confirmed that that was false and that the dog actually is infected and actually confirmed and is positive. So that really sucks that our little furry fans can actually get infected. So that's something that we also have to be cautious about and take care of is, that we don't spread it to our animals as well. So I'll keep you all updated with any more updates. And if you all can do me a favor, like this video, comment down below, and please subscribe. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. And we all have to pray now for our little animal friends because now apparently they can get infected and that really sucks.